Hey guys, want to share with y'all how I repair disc on this Eco Pro 2. This is a disc cleaner that I just got a few days ago. Uses a pretty good bit already. But anyways, I have a copy of Wii Sports here. You can see it's pretty badly scratched. I'll go ahead and put it in, but I don't think it's going to be red. Unable to read the disc. See? All right, so let's go ahead and take this out. I'm going to demonstrate real quick how this Eco Pro 2 works as soon as the Wii gives me my disc back. All right, I'm just going to throw it in here, and like I said, those scratches are pretty bad. So I'm going to punch this button twice, and I'll get 2 minutes of cleaning. And it's all automated. The only thing that you have to do is I would say every like 20 cleanings or so, it tells you to clean the pads, which basically means you take the pads, the two cleaning pads off of here, run them under some hot water, clean any of the solution out and stuff. The solution and the water are on the back here. Solution, cleaning solution, and then water here. And they're automatically fed through these tubes. Everything, the disc will come out pretty much clean. You don't have to wipe it down or anything like that. So anyway, we got a little over a minute left to go, and I'll come back whenever it's almost done. Okay, getting near the end now. You can hear it's fairly quiet too. It's in drying mode right now. The only time it makes any noise is when it pumps water or the cleaning solution out. Let's see how our disc is looking now. It's pretty scratched, so I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, it honestly could use another 2 minutes because it was pretty bad off. But let's see if it plays. That's what I'm really curious about. Let's see if it reads now. I think it will. I think it's good enough to read. But I'm not sure. Yeah, there it is. Okay, good. Yeah, it's coming up now. It reads it. So what I might do, I think this game is worth, go ahead and, it's great that it plays now. It got a disc that didn't work to a state where it would work, and that's a big deal. Like that's the most important thing. But I think with this one, I'll probably go ahead and run it through another 2 minutes and see. Look, it's working fine here. I'll go ahead and run it through another 2 minutes and make sure, well, not make sure, but just make it a little prettier. So let's pop it out. And then same thing, close it down there and turn it off. So this machine is expensive. It's $1,450 plus $19.99 shipping is what it cost me to get it here. Very expensive machine, so really you would have to process a lot of disc. If you don't take the cost of the machine into account, which that's a big if, right? Because it's $1,450. But the cleaning supplies aren't that bad. Just the cleaning pads and the cleaning solution, the consumables, they cost, for this clean, they cost 15 cents a minute if you don't count the cost of the machine. 15 cents a minute to operate. So I've got 4 minutes into this disc so far. So far I've spent just in the consumables 60 cents on this disc. And we're gonna see how good it looks now, because it's been through 4 minutes of polishing now, and I still see some stuff there. I must have had some really deep scratches, but it looks good. It's fine. and I'll just make sure it still plays, and then I'll be able to go ahead and put it up on eBay. So yeah, I just wanted to share this machine with y'all. Expensive, but very handy.